Hello friends, you are welcome to Owusu's kitchen. In today's video, we will be frying the perfect scrambled eggs. Yes, I know we've all been frying eggs for years, but with these tips and tricks I'm going to share with you, it is going to take your scrambled eggs experience to a whole new level. So come on in and let's do this. Go ahead and beat your eggs like you normally do. And once it has loosened up nicely, just take a thumb size of butter and melt it in your pan. Your fire setting should be at its lowest level, okay? We will be frying on the lowest heat from start to finish. So I will just pour in my eggs, and for best results, use non-stick pan. Okay, so now we will allow it to cook, paying attention at the edges. As soon as it starts to form or it starts to cook at the edges, we are going to go in and pull the cooked egg right from the edge to the center of the pan, allowing the liquid egg to take the spot and also cook as well. From here, it doesn't take much time for it to form again. So I'll go in and pull it to the center as well as we did with the first. And by doing this, we are creating that thick fluffy egg right at the center without it being overcooked. Okay, so that's what I'll continue to do until all the liquid egg are cooked and pulled to the center. Look at how plump and thick it is at the center, and since the layers are not overcooked, you bite into it and it literally melts in your mouth. So I'll just flip it over so that the other side also cook, but it all depends on how well you want your eggs cooked. But with scrambled eggs, you don't want it to be overcooked because it will become tough and not fluffy, and it will certainly not melt in your mouth. The other side is cooked to my preference. So friends, yes, it is done and it looks so fluffy. So I'll just go ahead and put a little bit of salt and black pepper to taste, and it is ready to be served. And thanks so much for stopping by to watch. If you found this useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.